Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M8 No Rules Edition. First, research its distinct characteristics and performance upgrades. Next, identify specialized BMW M dealerships, as they are most likely to handle such exclusive models. Be aware that this edition is often produced in limited quantities, making it a highly sought-after vehicle. This guide will help you navigate the acquisition process effectively. The M8 No Rules Edition stands out with its exceptional performance capabilities, often featuring a more powerful engine and specialized tuning. You'll also find unique design elements, from bespoke paint options to distinctive interior trims. With only a limited number produced, this car offers an exclusive ownership experience, setting it apart from standard models. Its rarity contributes significantly to its appeal. To begin the process, reach out to a certified BMW M dealership that specializes in high-performance and limited edition vehicles. Discuss available customization options and the estimated delivery timeframe for your specific order. Be prepared for a substantial down payment, which could be around 10% or more of the total price, to secure your build slot for this exclusive model. After placing your order, anticipate a waiting period, as these vehicles are often built to specific customer requests. Before taking delivery, meticulously review all the specifications and features to ensure everything matches your order. Finally, embrace the unique privilege of owning a BMW M8 No Rules Edition, a car designed for exceptional driving pleasure and exclusivity on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.